in some hotel room, does it have a view? Are you caught in a crowd or holding some honey who came on to you? Why do you have to be so jive? Okay, hang up the phone, it hurts, but something survives. Though it's undermined, I'd still like to see you sometime. I'm feeling so good, and my friends all tell me that I'm looking fine. I run in the woods, I spring from the boulders like a mama lion. I'm not ready to change my name again, but you know I'm not after a piece of your fortune and your fame, 'cause I tasted mine. I'd just like to see you sometime. Like your suspenders, how come meet your play? No need to surrender, I just wanna see you again. We're in for more rain, I could sure use some sunshine on my apple trees. It seems such a shame, we start off so kind and end so heartlessly. I couldn't take them all on then, with a head full of questions and hypes. So when the hopes got so slim, I just resigned. But I'd still like to see you sometime. I would sure like to see you.